Hi, I'm Julie Kelly from Mass in Motion, Fall River, and we're here today at Kennedy Park doing our 5th bike helmet giveaway. And it's very exciting to have these helmets donated by the Kiwanis Club of Fall River and also by BMC HealthNet Plan. Parents are coming down with their kids. They're being fitted by Officers Saraiva and Ruggiero from the Fall River Police Department, and bikes are being repaired by Frank Menendez and Jared Leach, and Erin Reed from MassDOT Safe Routes to School is here with a bike pathway that she's set up, teaching the kids all the directional signals and how to follow the rules of the road. So what we're all about is bicycle safety and making Fall River a bike-friendly city.
I think she's crying.
Because a couple weeks ago he was riding without his helmet on and he fell down and now he's got a big gash on his forehead. And he said, I rode without my helmet. Well, now we're not going to have that problem anymore. Because now you're going to have a brand new helmet.
But anyway, you got the ones that are
the main
major routes.
Right. And then we added this one. This is like a loop that we've ridden.
Are we going to put, like, it's the idea here, we're going to put these down, put the map out, and then put bike lanes on it. Is that what the idea is?
Well, they're marked up here. So, say Fall River Bicycle
bike
Route.
route.
And so they tell you
Why
whether
does it say no route, no lanes?
no lanes. So you're on the road.
Okay, so our sharrows are going to be up in these areas.
Yeah, and they already are.
Where's Eastern Avenue? We got sharrows there. And I told you about, I sent you a thing about that, huh? Sharrows?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, about the mess.
And the
What,
road.
like the sharrows here.
Like the Pantheon, I saw a whole special on that. How they use different types of systems. So we release that all the way down there.
Don't you want to let this guy in here so we can at least use that for adjustment later on?
We were just driving by, we saw it. I knew it was last year.
Yeah. Look at that. Dad's got this thing adjusted perfect too. There you go. There you go. That is a cool helmet. So he just took over as the bike horse. Decorate his helmet wherever he wants. It's his helmet. You know what I mean?
Yeah, my mom. Yeah.